Welcome to the new and improved Menu Tiger, your restaurant's digital partner. With a clear layout and intuitive navigation, you'll find everything you need at your fingertips. Menu Tiger's interface is designed to save you time and help your business grow. Let's navigate it together. On the top right corner, you'll see the language settings, which lets you choose your preferred language. Notification section that lets you know the latest updates and the blogs that you can read. And the account settings, where you can see your plans, details, and other settings. We also added new buttons for quick adjustments for full screen mode and for dark mode. With just a tap, you can set your app to full screen and to dark mode. Now, let's head down to the dashboard. It shows a comprehensive overview of your restaurant's actual performance. Here, you'll see data such as most sold foods, revenue, and a graph that shows your restaurant's growth over time. The dashboard is your restaurant's command center, giving you real-time insights that help you make informed decisions quickly. Instead of sifting through stacks of reports or trying to piece together information manually, everything you need is right here in one place. You can just sort the data by day, week, or month for every store that you're managing. Compared to manual methods, the dashboard saves you time and reduces the risk of human error. You get accurate, up-to-date information at a glance, allowing you to focus more on improving your restaurant rather than getting bogged down by administrative tasks. In the Menus tab, creating a digital menu is now easier than ever. You can easily add your menu by importing an existing one or starting from scratch. For this video, we'll go through creating a menu from scratch. To do this, just click the Setup Menu button under Start from Scratch. Start setting up your menu with a name and description, then just tap Upload. Click the menu that you just created so you can add food categories and dishes. Start adding a category by clicking the plus button. Type in the name and then type in the description. You can add the modifier groups and tax categories later after setting them up. For now, just click Save to create the category. If you have multiple categories on your menu, just repeat the process until you've added all of them. After that, you can now add the dishes under each category. Choose one, then click Add New to fill in the details of that dish. Type in the name and the description, then choose a label for the dish and whether it can be displayed for dine-in or for takeaway. Fill the dish's size, unit preparation time, ingredient warning, and tax categories, which you can add later after setting it up. There's also options where you can mark the dish as sold out, whether it's available or not, and set it as a featured dish. The recommended section is a way for you to cross-sell other dishes on your menu. You can add dishes that are related to the dish or the ones that need a little sales nudge. Then add appetizing images of your dishes so customers are more enticed to order them. If your dish has different serving options, you can add its varying size and prices under the Price Options section. We'll add modifier groups later once we set it up. For now, just click the Save button. To add more dishes, just repeat the process until you've included all of them. Now, let's head on to the modifiers. These are the add-ons to the dishes in your menu that can be modified with additional items. Like for steak, some add-on options include various sauces, doneness, and side dishes. This is the section where you can add them. To add one, click the Add New button, then type in the modifier's name. Choose whether it's optional or required as an add-on to the dish. You can also allow adding the same choice multiple times by ticking the box. Then start adding your modifiers by typing in the name, price, and unit. You can add more by clicking the Add Modifier option button. Once you're done adding them all, click Save to publish the modifier group. You can also add more modifier groups for various types of add-ons. Once you've added them, you can then go back to the categories and dishes that need modifiers, then add it on. Manage orders in real time with the Orders tab. You can effortlessly track orders, manage payments, and know exactly where each order is headed, all in one streamlined system. Monitor by filtering orders across the stores that you manage, sort through paid and unpaid orders, and track order status. If you need to track a specific invoice, you can just look it up using the Invoice ID search bar. To print a receipt, choose an invoice ID, then click the receipt icon to view the full invoice. Go through the receipt, then click the Print button to print it. The Stores tab lets you oversee multiple locations in one central hub. You can manage your restaurant's tables with customizable QR codes, Wi-Fi setup, opening hours, social accounts, and more. And you can easily personalize your menu QR code to your brand's colors. To do this, click the Customize QR Code button under the Tables section. Upload a logo, choose a pattern and eyes. Under the Color section, you can edit your QR code's background color, pattern color, and eye color. Make sure that your QR code's background color is darker than the foreground. This makes it easier to scan your QR code. Then, you can add a frame by choosing the design and setting its color, then adding a call to action phrase for higher chances of scanning. You can also add users to help manage your account, set opening hours and social accounts, set up connection to the Wi-Fi, and add location details. The settings section lets you enable and disable dine-in and takeaway for your stores. This is important because it allows you to control the availability and visibility of your menu. We suggest that you toggle these settings so your customers can see what's available on your menu. To do this, choose a store in the store menu, then toggle the dine-in and takeaway buttons to enable them. Green means it's enabled, and gray means it's disabled. In addition, there's a taxation section where you can handle everything related to taxes. This includes setting up different tax categories and managing which items are subject to tax. For example, you want to add a value-added tax or a VAT. Click the Add New button, then fill in the name of the tax, then choose if it should be included in the price or not. Then set the tax percentage for dine-in and takeout orders. Then just click Save. You can then choose to add this tax for the dishes that you added in the menu earlier. Heading on to the Marketing tab, you'll find tools that help boost your restaurant's performance. The Website section lets you implement your restaurant's branding by customizing the look of your digital menu app. You have options to add a hero section, about section, featured food section, why choose us section, and a newsletter section. The toggle button lets you enable or disable a section. The hero section is the topmost part of your digital menu app where you can add a button. This section serves as a banner where customers can find your digital menu with just a tap. Enable the button link so you can redirect your customers to the website menu, or you can redirect them to a custom URL. If you want them to go straight to the website menu, just choose Default. If you want to redirect them to another website, choose the Custom URL option. Type in the URL of the website, then assign a name for the button. After that, you want to type in the heading for your hero section and a short description that talks about your restaurant. Once you're done, just click Save. The About section is where you can share a little history of your restaurant. Just add a heading, a description, and an image to encapsulate the essence of your brand. This is your chance to tell your story, what makes your restaurant unique, the inspiration behind your menu, or the passion that drives your team. Once you're done, click Save. The Featured Food section is where you can promote your specialty dishes or feature special dishes that commemorate a holiday. Just add a heading and a description that talks about the food and why it's featured, then click Save when you're done. The Why Choose Us section is your opportunity to highlight what sets your restaurant apart from the competition. So here, you can showcase the unique qualities that make dining with you a one-of-a-kind experience. So add a heading, description, and an image that resonates with your target audience. Once you're done, click Save. The Newsletter section serves as a promotional section for customers to subscribe to your updates and stay connected with your restaurant. This is where you can encourage your customers to join your mailing list for exclusive offers, news about upcoming events, or the latest editions of your menu. Type in a catchy heading and add a description that talks about the newsletter, then click Save when you're done. Customize the look of your website, assign colors for text, buttons, and other components, then you want to click Save. You can also assign fonts for different parts of the homepage, like the various sections earlier and other components. You can also set up promotions and surveys to appear on the website and go through a list of your customers' details. To set up a promotion, just click Add New. Your promotions can be a discount on your customer's cart, a fixed discount, or a discount on selected items. Fill in the promo's name and description, then add the discount's value in percentage and how much should be the customer's minimum order amount to avail it. Choose which store this promo applies and whether it's available for dine-in or takeaway orders. Tick the custom discount period box so you can set the date and time of your promo. Finally, add images so you can entice your customers to join in on your latest promotions. Once you're done, you just want to click Save. You can also set up multiple promotions at a time and even manage each one on your promotions board that you can toggle it. For the survey section, you can create one by clicking Add New. Fill in the name of your survey, then add a welcome note to let your customers know what the survey is about. Type in your survey question and choose the type of answer that you want to receive. It can be a text box where customers can type in their thoughts, a star rating, a yes or no answer, or just a smiley. Tick the required box if you wish for the customers to answer the question without skipping it. You can add as many questions as you want by clicking the Add Question button. You can even see your edits in real time so you know how the survey looks like. Once you're done, click Save. You can then set up multiple surveys at a time, and you can manage each one on your survey board. For frequent customer needs, such as asking for water on the bill, a Hot Actions button can be created for it. Say they want some water. They don't have to flag down a waiter for it. Instead, they can just tap a button on their digital menu so you can be notified that a table needs water. To add this button, click Add New, then add a header for the hot action, then a message that talks about what the customer actually needs. Choose which store you wish to apply it to, and click the icon, then click Save. Under the Hot Action Request section, you can view which table has made a request using the Hot Action button. You'll also receive a notification every time a customer uses the Hot Action button, so you can attend to their needs the soonest you can. This proactive approach ensures that your customers feel attended to without the need for extra effort on their part, making their visit smoother and more enjoyable. The Integrations tab lets you connect to third-party services effortlessly. The Payment Integration section lets you integrate Stripe and PayPal for additional payment method options for your restaurant. The White Label section lets you integrate your business website for a more personalized URL. The Printer section lets you integrate a printer for your receipts. The POS section integrates a POS system for your restaurant, streamlining operations from orders to payments, syncing with kitchen displays, managing inventory, and supporting online orders for efficient service. These integrations allow you to customize and optimize your restaurant's operations, ensuring everything runs smoothly and efficiently. Analyze sales trends and customer behavior on the Reports tab. The Scheduler lets you set up automated emails for reports on your sales feedback or customers. To do this, click the Add New button, then write the name of the report, the frequency, and the type of the report. Select the email you wish to receive the reports from, then click Save. You can set up different schedules for other reports so you won't get left behind on your restaurant's operations. The Newsletter Sign-Up section lets you know the details of the customers that subscribe to your newsletter. And the Feedback section is where you'll see the responses of the surveys that you set up. This will be useful for understanding what's working and what needs improvement in your restaurant so you can make smart choices to improve your customer experience and actually grow your sales. At Menu Tiger, we believe that your time is spent delighting your customers. That's why we've made it our mission to provide you with tools that are not only powerful, but also easy to use. Experience the new Menu Tiger. Log in now to explore the future of digital menu management.